Previously on The Bartender.
What just happened a while?
You wake up fast. It's like a dream in a dream.
Mr. Money step down immediately?
In the event that anything should have happened to me, well, I know color tours is yours.
So what's the story between you and Tony Esperanza?
Him to say, me and him can't share the same universe, and I'm right. There's no story between us.
So you're telling me that the feud between you two just dissipated?
Tony! Put it this way. We came to a mutual agreement.
Me they tell you, say, me and you can't share the same universe.
What? What?
This is a picture of her.
You might go alright. Funny enough, me see your own head friend.
Carlton.
Yeah.
Dealing with you? Me try get her phone and me not get her.
Yeah, she's with me. Why?
Tell her say,
Carlton.
This is where she was standing, based on the blood mark. She was hit here, the clap of the clavicle. The most logical place for the shot come from would be there, but that's too high. But that building,
Yeah, bossy.
Whisper, I need you to jump on top of that building there. And see if you find a casing.
But bossy, you think that if she take the shot from this up, she wouldn't pick up the casing?
She definitely would, you know. But you still have to check, just in case she gets sloppy. Whisper. Forward.
Alright.
It's been a while since we stand up in a place like this.
Yeah, me too. Me da hope never have to do it for a while.
We have to do this more often, bro. To truly celebrate life, we have to pay homage to our dearly departed.
True. Think she can hear me?
I know she can't hear me. Especially you.
As weird as it may sound, I really miss her sometimes.
I know, bro. I know.